going to see the question from signals and system given in GATE 2008. So given that let x of t be the input and y of t be the output of a continuous time system, match the system properties p1, p2 and p3 with the system relations r1, r2, r3 and r4. So given the p1 equals to linear but not time invariant, p2 equals to time invariant but not linear, and p2 linear and time invariant, and given the systems r1, r2, r3 and r4. Now we need to match these here. So here the answer is A. Answer is A. Now we will verify the system by system now. So coming to the first system, given as y of t equals to t square into x of t, given y of t equals to t square into x of t. Now we need to verify whether this is linear and time invariant or time variant. So coming to the linearity first. So linearity is nothing but it has to satisfy the superposition principle and homogeneity principle. So here the given system will verify that a1 x1 of t plus a2 x2 of t by passing through the system, applying the transformation on this input signal, we need to get a1 y1 of t plus a2 y2 of t. So here y1 of t equals to, that is the transformation on x1 of t. So here this indicates the y of t, the transformation on x of t. Then we will have t square into x1 of t, and y2 of t equals to transformation on x2 of t. Then this is equals to t square into x2 of t. Now we need to find a1 y1 of t plus a2 y2 of t. Then it is equals to, we have a1 y1 of t is t square x1 of t plus, and a2 y2 of t means that is t square x2 of t. Take it as equation 1, consider it as equation 1, and by calculating this transformation on a1 x1 of t plus a2 x2 of t, then we will get this as t square of a1 x1 of t plus a2 x2 of t. Then we can observe that both take it as equation 2, both 1 and 2 are identical. Then the system is linear only, and here coming to the time invariant and time variant, the signal is if the signal is multiplied with the ramp function, that is always time variant system. Here given that y of t equals to t square into x of t, so the signal x of t is multiplied with some ramp function t square, then the system is time variant. So we have the conclusion r1, the given system r1, that is y of t equals to t square into x of t, is linear but not time invariant, linear but not time invariant. So that's what linear, the given p1 is linear but not time invariant. That's why we have the matching p1 and r1 is one pair. Coming to the second one, r2. Coming to the second one here, r2, y of t equals to t into mod x of t. We will verify whether it is linear and time variant or not. So given the system r2 that is y of t equals to t mod x of t. So coming to verifying this time invariant or not, time invariant or time variant, here also the input x of t is multiplied with the ramp function t, then the system is always time variant, that is not time invariant. Coming to the linearity, here verifying the y1 of t equals to, we will get it as t into mod x1 of t, and y2 of t equals to, as we discussed in the previous case, we will calculate the y1 of t and y2 of t, and a1 y1 of t plus a2 y2 of t, we will get it as a1 t mod x1 of t plus a2 t mod x2 of t. Let us consider this as equation 1, and calculating the transformations on a1 x1 of t plus a2 x2 of t, then we will get it as t into mods a1 x1 of t plus a2 x2 of t. So consider it as equation 2. By observing equation 1 and equation 2 are not identical, then the system is non-linear here. So we can observe that whenever the input is taken in as a mod, so then the system is always non-linear. Then r2 we can conclude it as non-linear and time variant. So coming to the given question, here time invariant, there is no option like out of this p1 p2 p3, there is no option like time variant and not linear. So we don't have p2, we don't have r to compare with any of the given options, given properties. So we can observe that out of the given options, p2 is there in all the cases, all the remaining options, but there is no p2 in the option 1. That's why we can conclude that option A is correct. And we can see the r3. This is, we have mod here, that's why we can say this is non-linear. We have r3, we have mod here, so we can say this is non-linear. That's what we discussed in the previous problem. Here previous case, we have mod for x of t, that is always non-linear. So and here this is time, we don't have any multiplication with the ramp function, then we can say this is time invariant. That's why the r3 is related to the property p2 here, so p2 r3. So P2 R3, and coming to the y of t equals to x of t minus 5. So here there is no mod for x of t, that's why this is linear. We can say this is linear, and there is no multiplication with the ramp function, that's why this is time invariant only. That's why the R4 is related to P3, linear and time invariant. So finally we can conclude that option A is correct.